Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. MATIC is following the roadmap at the moment nicely. It's coming down as forecasted. We are just holding above this 80-cent level, or just trying to break through here in this still ongoing ABC structure. In the primary scenario, as you might remember from previous videos, the idea would be that the C wave is going to unfold a little longer and was basically still unfolding, whereas in the alternative scenario, the wave 2 already completed a full ABC structure, but that's only the alternative. For now, price action suggests that the primary scenario is the valid and the more reliable interpretation, and but it's still worth watching for both potentials. But yeah, my preferred scenario is that the C wave is still unfolding. We come down a little lower, and so far this chart is working out nicely. The idea is that in this C wave, obviously we are sort of, within the third wave at the moment, probably halfway through, and the third wave projects to around 73 cents. This is the 50% retracement level of the entire 5-wave move between September and December. At the same time, I can use the initial 1-2 setup in the C wave and the 1.38 extension, which is an ideal target, for a third wave, points also to 73 cents, or maybe minimally 74.5 cents. Those are sort of the targets for a third and initial targets. And because there's good confluence with the 50% fib level, I'm going to watch for the price to go there. And then maybe a reaction in this region for a wave 4 and one more low in 5. I mean, it can always be a WXY structure and it might bottom there, but that requires additional evidence. And in addition to that, if we really have an ABC structure here, then we can also take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave, and overall it would point towards 65 cents. So that's at least the 1-to-1 ratio. That's not as reliable as using the microstructure here in the C wave to project targets. But yeah, I mean, overall, both scenarios show lower prices still or both ways of measuring show lower prices still in wave C of 2. If we get a more sustained break here below the 80-cent level, basically the last swing low, then it should take us ideally more directly down towards 73 cents. There's going to be some micro support here around 78.4 cents, the previous swing low. But then besides that, we should get to 73, and then we'll take it from there. Corrections need constant monitoring, and there will always have to be an invalidation level that will tell you if something is changing, and a break above what I have labeled here as wave 2 high, which is at 89 cents, 88.9. That would indicate that the microstructure is changing. But for now, there's no evidence for it. But note that at the moment, it's just holding here support. And I cannot rule out that it's forming a more extended ABC structure in wave 3. So maybe we get a bit of a bounce there. But as long as the 89-cent level isn't broken to the upside, I'm watching for further downside in this microstructure, possibly targeting 73 cents next. And then we'll take it from there. Then we have to see, okay, do we get another 4 and 5? So once I have that wave 3 complete, I can give you a resistance area, or let's say a retracement area, typically standard resistance for the wave 4 corrective rally, basically, that should follow then. And if that resistance breaks, it would be confirmation, initial confirmation that a lasting low already has been established and that we are moving up in a third wave to $2.12 plus. So yeah, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.